there, hi friends, welcome to Polish Mama Cooks. I got inspired by a dish. It's called baked feta pasta and I couldn't stop myself from making that dish. But I was thinking what would happen if I changed the cheese. So instead of using feta, I would use white farmer's cheese. In Poland we do have a meal that is called makaron z serem, which is pasta with white farmer's cheese. Instead of tomatoes, I'm gonna use cherries because the meal in Polish is a sweet version of all mac and cheeses. I hope you will enjoy it, so let's start. So what I'm gonna do is first prepare the sauce, then boil the pasta, and then prepare the creamy garnish on top of it. Start by placing a brick of farmer's cheese in a baking dish and add cherries. I use here frozen cherries because I couldn't find fresh ones, but fresh ones will be fine as well. Add half of the lemon zest and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Place it in the oven preheated to 400 Fahrenheit for about half an hour and also start boiling your pasta. I use farfalle. For the garnish, to a yogurt, I'm gonna add a tablespoon of powdered sugar and mix it all very well. After half an hour, take out the farmer's cheese with some cherries and add the boiled pasta. Also garnish everything with mint and mix it very well together. Finally, place it on a plate and use the garnish to cover everything for some sweetness. If you're still here, now I'm gonna show you how to make baked feta pasta. So you're gonna do exactly the same process, but with feta cheese, tomatoes, salt and pepper, and some basil and garlic. And some oregano. So with one method you get two different flavors. Thank you for being with me today. I hope you enjoyed those two pasta dishes, one savory, one sweet. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Polish and sometimes not so Polish recipes. Thank you, bye bye, smacznego!